Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. Today, we're going to learn 25 common phrases in ASL. This video is for anyone learning ASL, even beginners. I love making these videos for you, and I appreciate it so much that you're liking, commenting, and subscribing. It takes a lot of time and money to produce these videos. If you'd like to support us, you can do so by purchasing some of our new merch. Everything in our merch store is designed by us, and it's great quality. I personally like this one the best. Another way to stay connected is to subscribe to our newsletter. Link in the description. Without further ado, let's learn how to sign 25 common phrases. Hello, my name is Meredith. Hello, my name, Meredith. His name, Brian. He name, Brian, he. With a closing signal, it can point to yourself or to somebody else that you're talking about. What's up? Sup. This sign is the formal sign for what's up, but sometimes you'll see sup, which is kind of a slang version. How are you? How you? I'm fine. Me, fine, me. Today, I'm feeling really sad. Today, me feel sad. And make sure you're doing a sad face with that. Me. Nice to meet you. Nice meet you. Sorry, I don't understand. Please slow down. Sorry, I don't understand. Please slow down. Please sign that again. Please sign again. Yes, I understand. Thank you. Yes, I understand. Thank you. Yes, I'm learning ASL. Yes, I learn ASL. I. Remember that this is a closing signal showing that you are done speaking. See you later. See later. And I've even seen see you later. How can I help you? Help you? How? Great job. Let's keep going. Now that we've got some of the basic introduction phrases out of the way, let's talk about some more conversational phrases. Now, when you're in a conversation with a deaf person, be sure to maintain eye contact. When your eyes wander around, it's equivalent of ignoring somebody or not listening to them. Let's continue on with some other common phrases that could prove useful in a conversation. What time is it? Time what? That WH word is at the end of the sentence. It's 3:15. You're doing the sign 3 coming from your watch and the number 15. When will you be home? Home, arrive, when. Again, that WH sign is at the end of the sentence. My birthday is August 19th. My birthday, August 19th. The test is on Friday. Friday, test. I have 2 dogs and 1 cat. I have 2 dogs, 1 cat. My grandma is 87 years old. My grandma, age 87. I love your, and you could sign earrings, hair, coat, purse. I love your purse. Who is your teacher? Your teacher, who? Where is my book? My book, where? My favorite sports are basketball, volleyball, and gymnastics. My favorite sports, and you're gonna list your 3 favorite sports. Basketball, volleyball, gymnastics. I would like the pancakes and sausage. I want pancakes, sausage. All done. Whew, that was a lot, but it was worth it. All of these phrases are from past videos. If you want to go deeper into any particular area, I've listed the link below. Be sure to check out our channel page where you can find all of our past videos. Remember, if you'd like to support us, you can do so by purchasing our merch. And as always, keep learning how to sign.